ModnPods, we're a local manufacturer. We build right here on the Gold Coast. One of the problems that we wanted to solve, we really wanted to get more housing to the market.
When I joined ModnPods, predominantly we were servicing the tourism industry.
Today that has evolved into helping solve the real housing crisis, not only on the tourism sector now, but including social housing and even community projects.
The team's driven by transparency, rigour, and the belief that modular and off-site manufacturing is the future of the industry.
To deliver high quality with program certainty and delivery at scale.
We now are looking at multi-rise. It's super exciting. Driving the necessary housing that we need.
Another way of delivering quality buildings with more speed, control and certainty.
ModnPods is part of that story. We're part of that solution.